It's official, you lose your YouTube channel monetization if you don't go to your YouTube studio and accept this right now. YouTube just made a huge changes in their monetization system, which can lead to monetized creators losing their ability to earn from their YouTube partner program. But today, let me fix that so that you can continue making money from YouTube monetization program. If you are yet to monetize your YouTube channel, I've got some huge monetization update for you, which you won't want to miss it. Go to your YouTube studio. If you have the app, you can go to it, or you can use their website. Simply go to studio.youtube.com on your PC or on your phone. Now in your YouTube studio, you will see this notification. Click on the notification icon. It will bring you here and you will see this YouTube Partner Program Update. Accept new terms by 31st January 2027 to avoid gaps in earning. Now you can also get this in your email, so make sure you check the email address that you use to create your YouTube channel and you will see this. Simply click on it. It will bring you here to the next page where you will be asked to accept the new terms by the YouTube monetization program. Now you can go through and read the new terms. So the first page right here, review our updated terms. What's changing? We are updating the following terms to ensure that the way you earn evolve alongside the platform. To keep earning without interruption, please review and accept the new terms by 31st of January 2027. So you can see right here, the terms are for watch page monetization as well as short monetization. Click on continue down here, and these are the changes which have been made to the YouTube monetization program for both short and long form channel. On the next page, watch page monetization model. These updates take effect on 1st February 2027. You can see right here, these are the updates, and you can go through them and read them one by one. So the first one right here is applicability. The second one is content watch page. The third one, YouTube video player, advertising revenue, subscription, and also you can see this one right here, music subscription offering. Click on this to accept the terms on the page and click on accept and continue. Now on the next page, this will show you the short feed monetization model, and make sure you read all of these to also know what's actually going into this before you click on this I accept and also continue right here. And you can see you are done with this and you have signed up for all the required terms. So this means that you are good to go and you will continue to also earn from your YouTube monetization program as a partner. So if you are not monetized, the big news or the elephant in the room is that from 1st February 2027, the monetization requirements are 1,000 subscribers and 8,000 watch hours, which is double the one which is currently taking place. So make sure you also take note of this. And also, if you want to monetize a short channel, you have to get 20 million views instead of 10 million, which is currently the barrier for your short monetization. Now on the short side too, you have to get 1 million views actively every single month to maintain your monetization. So if you want to start a YouTube channel, make sure you start it right now and also meet these requirements if it's your main goal to monetize your YouTube channel before next year, so that you can meet the current monetization requirement very fast. So this is my personal take on all of these changes and updates. As a person who have been earning from YouTube since 2021, I will say this: many people are panicking when they hear the new rules or the new changes in the YouTube monetization program, which is mainly the 8,000 watch hours that you have to get before you can monetize a long form channel. Now, you know, whenever changes occur, many people panic and many people say different things, but the thing is, gradually this will be the norm or the normal way you can monetize a channel. So even if your channel is not monetized this year, coming February 1st 2027, you can still go ahead and also monetize it. But if you have a channel right now, if you want to start a channel, make sure you start it as early as you can. I mean right now, so that you can also meet the monetization threshold whilst it's lower, so that it can be monetized very fast. If you want to start, grow and monetize your own YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I've got more updates and tips for you. I'm Emmanuel and I'll see you in the next video.